Hi, my name is Eleanor Sather, and I am working on building a satellite as part of NASA's Satellite Building Challenge. The question I need to ask myself today is, can I build a mock satellite which would fit inside of a oatmeal container, which would have the right components needed, as explained later, and which would not break when dropped from 1 meter. Let's see how it goes. I have organized the smaller materials, well, not all are small like that large exhaust pipe, on what we could use. So I'm thinking over here with some of these would be a great thing to use, especially for the panels for power. We also have some of, so here I have the math I did to figure out how many cells I need, which comes to 6. I'm going to do 1 camera, 1 gravity probe, 1 heat sensor. I'm going to need the mass of the total cells is 3 grams, and the mass of the instruments is 5.5, which comes to 8.5 grams for mine. So now my next step is to use this. I'm going to add my drawing at the bottom, and first I got to figure out what I have, what I might need in the materials in order to have 6 cells in my 3 instruments. I have here my drawing. I already explained the math up above that I did to determine what I needed. We have here the camera, which is going to go on, which is going to be right here, this plate with this nut. The 6 cells are links of chain, so I'm going to get these each. See, it's like 1 set, so there's going to be 6 of these. That's how many solar cells I determined I needed. Then the heat sensor is going to be this, part of a shopping cart. And then the last thing is the gravity probe, which is 3 inches. And that should make it so that it's not too long to fit in, nor too wide. So now it's just a build. Pause the time lapse because I'm having a bit of a hard time with this. So this piece of metal isn't making an electrical connection enough to allow it to weld. So I'm going to try to grind it and try again. So that's a good example of testing and then finding a solution. Yep. So it's worked grinding, but I went to put this on and try to hit it, because of course it can't fall. Oh, it came right off. So I now have what I think is a finished product. I have all 3 instruments. The camera proved to be difficult. My original materials didn't work. Good news is I got to use this, which is my practice on beating and welding. We've got all 6 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 instruments. It does fit inside of this. So, drop test. Oh boy. I have done a little initial testing just in the way of banging it against, not more delicate term than that, banging it against here to test it. I ran through and did a couple more messy beats on it, and I am going to cool it off and maybe paint it and hope for the best.
It's going.
Okay. We are going to drop it from 1 meter, 39.37 inches. So we're going to put up a little bit, Chilling. My assistant here filming, and don't mind the mess. We had a bit of a irrigation problem in the middle of this. So, ready, set, go. Oh, let's check it. Did it break? No! Success! High five.